How did channeling shift your relationship with your mother emotionally or spiritually?
Oh, it's shifted it on every level. So I was doing things like if she got confused and we went outside for a walk and it was 95 degrees outside, which is normal where I live. It's very, very hot and tropical. And she would say that she needed a sweater. I would try to reason with her and explain why she does not need a sweater. And through the channeling, what she was explaining to me from her soul is that when I try to correct her or when I try to force her to live in my reality or my moment, it is a point of disconnection. And it's very hard for us to come back from that because even though it doesn't make sense for her to bring a sweater on a very hot outdoor walk, that's what was in her her psyche at the moment. So she was asking me from her soul, can you just go along? Can you just follow my lead? Can you just create some space around whatever is true and real for me in that moment? So we have even more room for connection. So then I learned I just go get her the sweater. We don't have to have a discussion or an argument about it. I also learned where I was getting in the way and interfering in her relationship with my father. I thought I was being helpful.
Okay.
And actually, I wasn't. I was creating more separation for her from him. And they had a separate soul agreement than what I have with my parents. So she was basically saying, back off, sister. Like, this is about me and him. You don't need to fix it. You don't need to intervene. He is showing up in service to me the way we agreed before we even knew you. So that was very humbling as well. Channeling let me let go of what wasn't mine. And it allowed me to embrace what could be possible in a relationship that had become very complicated with dementia, but also it's mother-daughter, so it's complicated by nature anyway, isn't it?
It is. I can't even call it me channeling because I see professional channelers like yourself, so I can't even compare it to you. But even I have begun to see the same thing where if I try to channel the higher self of my loved ones, the answer that comes through is also the same thing. Don't try to interfere too much. Let them be.
Yes.
They have their own intuition too.